She's camera shy.
I'll see you in a month.
Yes.
Nice. All right. Bye.
See ya.
Not today. Hi everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Today's gonna be a travel day / reflection day. I've had about a little less than 24 hours to think about what went wrong. I ended up finishing 17th yesterday. I was in second with 2 to go, so that kind of leaves a bad taste in your mouth. But it's an opportunity to learn, and we'll talk a little bit about it throughout the day. Alright, I just landed in Houston. I got a little less than 3 hours here until my flight back to Vegas. So I'm gonna go find some food and then maybe do a little bit of editing. So on the flight here from Columbus, I was lucky enough to get upgraded. Starving, got a snack box, left it on the plane, didn't eat it. I feel kind of sad, but it's alright. We'll find some. They wanted $5.50 for water. So, I got some food in my belly. Why is the camera so zoomed in? Hold up. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go find a drink and then we'll get to the weekend recap. All right, call me a liar. I did get Starbucks today, but it was cheaper than the water. Give me a break. All right, here's the weekend recap. Doubles with Mikey didn't go so well. We didn't cash, so we're not gonna talk about that. We'll talk about it a little bit. Mikey bowled bad, and I didn't bowl good enough to get us there. Team event went well. We finished second. It was a fun time, honestly. I'd love to bowl team events more often, especially with Mikey, Chris, and Kevin. That was a lot of fun. We struck a lot, and we probably struck a lot because we had fun. Singles felt pretty good until the last 2 games. As far as execution, could always be better, but I'm always about finding the right shapes, making sure I have good ball reaction, so I'm always manipulating it a little bit, never really playing my A game, so that makes it harder to repeat shots. But at the same time, if you have good ball reaction, you don't necessarily have to ace every single one of them. But I definitely could have had better games if my execution was better, so that's something to work on for sure. I missed a couple of make-full spares for the singles portion. I'm not happy about it. Missed 2 single pins, 110, 107. My last 2 games of the tournament, I shot 170, 165. The 170, I hit the pocket almost every shot. I had back-to-back 710s on the right lane with 2 different balls, so that was just obviously bad ball reaction. And I don't believe in being unlucky or getting bad carry. You get bad carry for a reason, and I just didn't figure it out. In the next game, I tried to do the same thing, except it was a lot worse. I didn't hit the pocket as many times, and I was moving all over the lane, throwing different bowling balls. But I think my solution for the end, or at the end of the day, the solution I came up with was I just needed to play further right, go back to where I was, maybe with urethane, maybe with a smooth reactive ball. But it sucks because I didn't see that coming. The lanes didn't do that during qualifying at all, so I didn't prepare for it. I was super tired, so my brain probably wasn't as quick as it normally is either. Getting enough rest is really important. I was tired the whole day. I haven't been sleeping very good lately, so maybe I need to get off the DGen hours. Overall, it was just a solid weekend of bowling. Made a little over $2,000 profit, which we never really complain about, but we're always going out there to try to win. And when we do win, we make a lot more money. Yeah, I might be at the airport a little longer than anticipated. I don't know if I can tell you why. I probably can, probably should, so I won't. But it gives me more time to edit. This video is going to be live 2 days after it's filmed, So I'll be editing this tomorrow, and then the day after it will be uploading. But yeah, hopefully we get home soon. We had a gate change. My bags are really heavy. And I was editing, so I had to get over pretty quick. It was like a 10-minute walk. But this fight's looking pretty tight. But we might get on. I'm not mad about it. Hookup. Picked me up from the airport. He's also a good friend, like Kylie. So we're gonna get dinner.
Avoide.
I'm gonna buy him dinner. Because it's the least I could do for wasting his time.
Noodles.
Alright guys, I'm back home and I gotta show you something. This is one of the most exciting things of the weekend for me. I know a lot of you probably are into Pokemon cards, but this is the best card in the set, and I've been going a little ham on opening packs. I think 170 packs in, and it's like a 1 in 270 pull. So, head of pace, pretty cool. And my sister-in-law, Mary, that's so weird to say, pulled it for me, so that's kind of funny how it works, because last time I pulled a card like this, my cousin pulled it for me. So, that being said, I think we're going to wrap it up for the day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll catch you tomorrow for probably more of a day-in-the-life type vlog, not stream. Jeez. All right. Well, check me out on Twitch. We stream every day. We're not on the road. Probably streaming tomorrow as well. So, hang out with us there. Join the Discord. Link in the description below. And that's gonna be it for the night. Bye guys. Bye.